So let's take a look at the actual AWS infrastructure and what it looks like. So as I had mentioned, Subdomain Tenant Manager strictly communicates with the API gateway, which runs the necessary Lambda functions to provision all the necessary resources. So a high-level view, we have our cluster living in multiple availability zones. We also have shared storage via the Elastic file storage shared between all clusters, along with Elasticache, which is used for Redis to make sure for our queuing system. We also have our relational database service where a database is created, and simple queuing service for sending queues to our custom API cluster. So all of this is created all on the fly once a new workspace is created for any given tenant.